Alright everybody, this is the wheel horse. It stopped raining. Storm's clearing up. And there's a cloth that's over. I'm going to rip it off in a second so y'all can see. That's all the hail. If you guys can't see that, that's a wheel horse. Commando 800. I think it's a 1974. Might be a 1973, I don't know. I'll do a little research on it. This is when we just got back from the guy that sold it to us. Needed bittle work. There's not much rust on it, unless on the tires. You can see a little bit down there. Fresh battery, starts up, runs. The only thing that he said that you need to get, you see that oil down there? There's a little gasket that needs to go back on it that he didn't have when he could do it for us. But steering wheel's nice. Hood works. Everything works. It's even got a nice little gas turn off, which is always nice. There's a serial number on it. Altogether, I think we got it for a good price. I think he sold it to us, I don't remember the exact price, but I think it was $260, I think. I think that's a steal. It has a mower deck on it. It's gonna be restored. No rust. I don't have to use any Bondo. Nothing.